Love SoFi? You can earn serious cash or points by sharing it. Their referral program pays you when friends sign up for qualifying products. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Find your unique referral link in the SoFi app. Go to Membership and Benefits and look for Refer a Friend. Share your link via text, email, or social media. When a friend uses your link and, for example, opens a checking and savings account with a direct deposit or funds and invest account, you'll get a bonus, like $50 to $300, depending on the promotion. They usually get a bonus too. My crucial pro tip: know the specific promotion terms. Referral bonuses change. Before you share, check the current offer details in the app. What exact action does your friend need to take? How much do they need to deposit? Knowing this ensures you both get the reward and avoids confusion. Turn your network into a source of shared financial benefit. What's the best referral bonus you've ever earned from any company? For more guides on earning extra rewards, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.